Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I like to discuss about external vulnerability scanning. As you guys are familiar with something known as Nmap, which is used for scanning the devices on your network and also exploit them. So the question arises, can we do the same thing over the internet? The answer is yes, but you're not the person who are going to do this, because there are many computers on the network, and it's almost impossible for a single computer to do that. So for this purpose, we use certain search engines. The search engine that I know is Shodan. So Shodan is basically a search engine which lets you to scan for the vulnerabilities over the internet. The way it works is it just scan for the vulnerabilities over the network or the internet from time to time, and it adds itself to the database. So if you go on to its site, you can find more information about it on the Wikipedia. For example, if the well-known routers is Netgear. So if in the search bar, if you type Netgear, you can find all the routers of Netgear. As you can see, all the of the Netgear manufacturer. And now if you want to find a certain vulnerability, like for example, the vulnerable routers might have the default password. So if you just type in default password in the search bar, so as you can see here, these are the routers which have these which are vulnerable and also have the default password. So we can literally we can just log in from here right now, but as I said, it's not authorized. We cannot really do that because it might cause a security flaw. I mean, we might be put in jail as well. So I recommend, this tutorial is basically to explain you that the thing that can happen with your router as well. So basically the thing why these routers out here are vulnerable is because of something known as port forwarding. You guys might have heard a lot about this port forwarding, which is used for gaming, or even hackers use it. So whenever your network consists of sensible data, I would recommend you not to use the port forwarding or about UPnP as well, which might cause this problem as well. So another thing is your password, the router password. I recommend it's a very one-step process to change it. Although most of the manufacturers give it with the default password, I recommend you to change the default password of your router for security purpose.